Salesforce is a powerful platform for managing customer relationships. It's like, a giant digital filing cabinet for all your customer data. But what good is data if you can't access it effectively? That's where SOQL comes in. SOQL, or Salesforce Object Query Language, is your key to unlocking valuable insights from your Salesforce data. Think of SOQL as a way to ask questions about your Salesforce data. Want to find all contacts in a specific city? SOQL can do that. Need to see all opportunities closed last month? SOQL has you covered. The basic syntax of SOQL is simple and intuitive. It follows a structure similar to SQL, making it easy to grasp for those familiar with databases. A simple SOQL query looks like this. This query selects the name and email fields from all contact records where the city is New York. It's like having a filter on your data, showing you only what you need. One of SOQL's strengths is its ability to handle relationships between different objects in Salesforce. Let's say you want to find all opportunities related to accounts in a specific industry. SOQL can navigate these relationships with ease. You can use relationship queries to traverse from an object to its related objects. For instance, to get the names of all contacts associated with accounts in the technology industry, you would use a query like SOQL also offers aggregate functions to perform calculations on your data. Need to know the average amount of all closed-won opportunities? SOQL can calculate that for you. You can use functions like and more to summarize and analyze your data. While SOQL excels at structured queries, SOSL is your go-to tool for text-based searches across multiple objects in Salesforce. Imagine you need to find all records regardless of the object that mention a specific keyword. This is where SOSL shines. SOSL, or Salesforce Object Search Language, allows you to perform searches similar to using a search engine. You can search for keywords, use wildcards, and even specify which objects and fields to include in your search. A simple SOSL query looks like this. This query will search for records containing Acme in any field of account and contact objects. SOSL is incredibly powerful for finding information when you don't know the exact location of the data. It's your go-to tool for global searches within your Salesforce org. When writing SOQL or SOSL queries, keep in mind that efficiency is key. Salesforce has limits on the resources you can use, so it's crucial to write optimized queries. Always try to be as specific as possible with your search criteria and limit the number of fields you retrieve. In conclusion, mastering SOQL and SOSL is essential for any Salesforce developer or administrator. These powerful query languages give you the ability to extract meaningful insights from your data, automate business processes, and build custom applications. Start practicing and exploring the vast capabilities of SOQL and SOSL today. There are many resources available online, including the Salesforce developer documentation, Trailhead modules, and community forums to help you become a query master in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.